Hi everybody, this is Blake from AlphaCars Ural of New England, coming to you from our Route 1 Northampton, New Hampshire location. Today we are bringing you this unbelievably immaculate 2007 Corvette Indy pace car. Only 500 of these were made. This is number 315, and the last year prior to '07 that they were made was 1998. So this car is not only is it a beautiful car overall, it's also a good investment as far as vehicles go. The 1998 pace cars are selling for well over $50,000 right now. So, and this is a highly desirable body style in this particular one. And this is a beautiful example of one. We are going to walk around this. This car is literally in like new condition. It doesn't have any blemishes on it whatsoever, and we'll go over it close up. I'll focus mostly on the exterior of the car. The interior is super clean, like brand new, but the main concern on something like this would be chips in the paint on the front bumper, curb rash on the wheels. So that's why we're going to focus on the exterior here. And you'll see that this car is free of any blemishes. You'd be hard-pressed to find a nicer example of one of these out there, on top of the fact that it is a rare car, being that only 500 of these were made in this year. This was owned locally by a gentleman who brought it into us. The car has never been in the rain. It's a non-smoker. The interior still smells brand new, and you'll see the leather still is just like it was when it was new. It's not worn out or cracked or anything. But we'll start on the outside. So one of the things with a car like this, where it sits so low to the ground, normally you see paint chips in the lower part of the bumper, but you can see this car has none of that. It's really, there's not one paint chip in this whole vehicle. And that's why I'm doing a close-up of this and showing you the lower bumper here. This is the part that normally gets road rash. I mean, you might have, it's like a little tiny chip there, but that's all I can see. So this is the most susceptible part of these cars. Anyone that's looked at Corvettes knows that a lot of times that front bumper is the first thing to get worn out. You can see the headlights. There's no road rash or chips or anything. This car only has 11,000 miles on it, but even over 11,000 miles, you're bound to have some cosmetic issues, which this car has none of. There's the left front wheel. As you can see, there's no curb rash at all on this. And as we go down the side of the car, down the rocker panels, you can see nothing. All the decals look like they did when they were new. Nothing's worn out or peeling off. Again, the car's never seen rain, always been inside. That's a rear right or rear left wheel. No curb rash on that. We'll walk around the back here. The rear bumper. Again, no cosmetic imperfections in that. Rear right wheel, no curb rash on that, and the other wheel looks exactly the same. And we'll go along the side here. So as you can see, a lot of times if these cars aren't well taken care of, these decals can fade or start to come off. That's not the case with this car. It has been babied, always hand washed, never driven through a car wash. There's your right front wheel. Again, no curb rash, just like the other three. So we'll walk around and get a peek at the interior of this car. Again, 2007 with 11,300 miles. So when you look at the inside, you can tell the leather here. None of the leather is worn out. You see the passenger seat there. A lot of times this center console part gets all scratched up. That's all very clean. None of the buttons are worn out. You can see how clean the carpets are. It still smells brand new in this car. So that's it. 2007 Corvette Indy pace car. number 315 of 500. You could view this car on our Route 1 Northampton, New Hampshire location. It's in our showroom, or you could visit us at alphacars.com or reach us at 603-585-5085. Thank you. Have a great night.